Today, we will show you a ANENG's handheld digital measuring pen. Equipped with 10 models of batch heads, it also has strong magnetic absorption. It's super easy to replace. All common screws on the market can be fixed, connect the line, or dismantle the instrument. It's also very convenient. Fingers touching touch keys. Don't press it down. The circuit does not need to be broken. You can know if there is electricity. Press and hold the touch button. Can test whether the line is connected or not. Once it's connected, it will beep. Without communication, there is no sound. The quality of the fuse can be determined by testing it. This is good. Press and hold the touch button. Encountering the line. The neutral line is a green screen. Encountering the front line. Red screen with buzzing sound. Simultaneously measure the voltage. Quickly distinguish the neutral line. Very convenient. Release the touch button. It will also maintain the current value. When encountering a non-conductive line, you can first locate the position of the live line. This is the front line. Turn off the power. Remove non-conductive wires. Connect to the live wire hole. Tighten the screws. Turn on the electricity. The pen head follows the route. No need to break the leather thread. Wherever there's no noise, there's no power. There is electricity up here. Let's test it again and take a look. This section has electricity. There won't be any noise here. It's disconnected here. There are 2 colors to choose from. It uses a 14,500 rechargeable battery. A mobile phone charger can charge it. When the red light is full, it goes out. You can keep an extra battery when working outside. It's also convenient to replace. Fast full charge operation. It also comes with a flashlight. Function under low light conditions. Find screws, find wiring. It's not difficult at all.